performers tonight. Is anyone out there who's from the show? Their preschool kids, their trinkets, some people in the first act. Anyone there? Who's out there to perform? Who's out there? Michael Reynolds, did he leave? There he is. Again, a big thank you to everyone. The show's dedicated to a Mr. Roger Gentry, who can't be with us tonight, but if it weren't for him, we wouldn't have a Holly Jolly Follies this year. We'd love to just all sing Jingle Bells one more time before we go. Let me hear you. Bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Just through the sun. Sing the one-horse open sleigh. For the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha. Up the tree. Cheers, pride. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh country night. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Thanks so much. Haines, wow, stepping up. If you find these bells, let Matt know, okay? Everybody, we're gonna do the bells still.
Thanks for coming out.